Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Today, guys, we again will take a look at the Japanese yen because there is some tricky moment right now exists right around the current area where a market stands at the current moment. Well, and actually, to be honest, there are some really interesting setups right now on the Australian dollar and on the euro currency that we have discussed. In fact, the situation there is the continuation of our analysis that we have prepared the Australian dollar in the current weekend on the euro currency on the previous week, and market in general behaves in a row with our assumption that we have made on the medium-term perspective on the weekly time frame charts, on the daily time frame charts. On the Japanese yen, we see also a really thrilling setup that we have discussed yesterday. The details, I will not repeat the details today, speaking about the monthly stop grabber, current butterfly, and so on. Currently, we will be focused only on the situation right around 104 even area. Okay? Well, difficult to say. Maybe today we will not see any real significant action because tomorrow we will get the non-farm payrolls release, and probably investors will save the activity till the tomorrow. Well, but still, there are very interesting moments right now on the Japanese yen. In particular, it stands in relation with the inner ABCD patterns on the 4-hour time frame chart and on the daily time frame chart. Yesterday we said that market is approaching to the resistance. First of all, that was this 618 resistance, but currently probably we could say that it's not valid anymore because market has passed significantly above it, and this action was, as you can see, the second challenge of this level. So that was the first challenge, right? It overbought, retracement down, second challenge, and market has passed through it, and now it now is creeping with the overbought on the daily time frame chart. But yesterday we said that probably we should be ready for a bounce down because we have the uncompleted, and market right now is completing the ABCD pattern on the intraday charts. But also, guys, we have another one right here on the daily time frame chart. Take a look. That is inner to this butterfly ABCD pattern. A, B, C bottom. Okay, D pattern. Just a minute. Yes, that's right. That's correct. And you can see that market stands just few pips lower than this level. So you can see that this completing of this ABCD pattern could trigger the retracement down. On the Jed-Napoli framework, it calls us the Kibi trade. It's some sort of the stretch pattern, but stretch pattern appears when market meets the combination of the overbought and fib resistance. Another tool is when the market meets the overbought and the completing point of the extension, some extension of the ABCD pattern. Okay, it could be 100%, 1618, or some other words, the combination of the objective point of the objection point of the ABCD and overbought creates some additional resistance that could lead to the retracement in the shorter term perspective. That's the this is also the directional pattern, and we will deal with this combination in today's session. This is particularly the tricky moment that I have talked about previously. So if we take a look on the 4-hour time frame chart, that's our major chart that we're interested in right now. Yesterday we have discussed also this pattern, A, B, C bottom, and we said that probably market will show the new high before any retracement will start. So you can see that this has happened. So that was first bounce. Market has continued to move higher, but again hasn't quite reached the 1618 extension. Maybe this is due to the quotes, because this chart is based on the bid prices. So anyway, this 1618 target and the target that stands approximately at 104.10 on the daily time frame chart, this target stands at 104.20 area approximately. So you can see that just market stands in an area of the 10-20 pips till these targets, and when it will hit it, probably we could be ready for the retracement. Right now, as it will start as it is, so here is some setup for the double repo sell. So we have the excellent thrust up. By this retracement, market has shown the close below the 3x3, guys. So if you take a look at this chart, take a look at the quotes, this candle close 103.63, but the 3x3 moving average 103.66. So you can see that this was first close below the 3x3. If market will show the close below the 3x3 again, that will be the confirmed double repo pattern. But the major tricky moment here is that target stands slightly higher than this possible reversal. Maybe this will not be the double repo right here. Maybe market will form some sort of the wedge pattern, okay? Something of that sort maybe will be formed here. But anyway, as market will hit these targets, whatever pattern will be formed here, wait when the 4-hour time frame chart trend will shift bearish, or hourly time frame chart trend shift bearish, and you could take the short position with the possible retracement down if you're a scalp trader. If it will be the double repo pattern, then the target will stand approximately around 103 even area. That's the 50% support of the whole thrust of the double repo pattern. That's in general acceptable target. It's not very significant. I mean in the distance from the top to this area. Still, that will be approximately the 100 pips, not small move in general. So that's the moment to watch for on the Japanese yen. Just a minute, let's check this moment. Maybe we will get some sort of the butterfly here or something on the hourly time frame chart. No, guys, currently I do not see any potential butterfly right now. Maybe here market will form something with the challenge to hit this target. Anyway, that's the moment to watch for right now on the Japanese yen. Keep an eye on this current development and watch for possible reversal pattern. Maybe this will be wedge, maybe on the hourly time frame, as I said, will be butterfly, maybe double repo sell market will form here. Anyway, this particular pattern could trigger retracement to the downside, short-term retracement, due to the situation that we have now on the daily time frame chart. Combination of the daily oil bought with the target of the inner ABCD pattern and another pattern that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart.